Imagine you are holding your car keys right now. What if I told you those keys could unlock fast cash when you are desperate? Sounds tempting, right? But here is the real question. Is that quick money a lifeline, or is it a financial trap waiting to swallow you whole? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly whether a car title loan is a smart move or a dangerous mistake you should avoid. Number 1. What is a car title loan? A car title loan is a type of secured loan where you hand over your vehicle's title to a lender in exchange for quick cash. Your car is the collateral. If you own your car outright or have a lot of equity in it, you can walk into a title loan office, show your vehicle and paperwork, and walk out with hundreds or even thousands of dollars in cash. For example, if your car is worth $8,000, a lender might offer you $3,000 or $4,000 as a loan. But here is the catch. You are borrowing against your own car. If you cannot repay, you risk losing the very vehicle you need to get to work, pick up groceries, or drop your kids off at school. Number 2. Why do people turn to car title loans? Most people who use car title loans are not shopping for luxury. They are facing emergencies. Think about situations like unexpected medical bills, overdue rent, or a sudden car repair that costs more than you have in your savings account. Imagine your paycheck is still a week away, but your landlord is already knocking on the door. A car title loan promises fast relief. The application process is simple. No credit check, no waiting weeks for approval. It feels like instant money when your back is against the wall. That is why many Americans, especially those with poor credit, end up signing one. Number 3. The hidden cost of car title loans. Here is where things get scary. Car title loans are some of the most expensive loans out there. The average interest rate is often equal to 200% or more per year. That means if you borrow $1,000, you could end up paying back $2,000 or more within a year. Lenders usually set short repayment terms, often just 30 days. If you cannot repay in time, they roll over the loan and add even more fees. For example, let's say you borrow $1,000 with a 25% monthly interest rate. After just 2 months, you could already owe $1,500. And if you keep rolling it over, your debt keeps climbing. This is how people get trapped in what feels like quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. Number 4. The risk of losing your car. The biggest danger is repossession. If you fail to repay the loan, the lender has the legal right to take your car and sell it. And here is the painful twist. Even if your car is worth far more than the loan, the lender can still sell it and keep a big chunk of the money after covering your debt and fees. Imagine losing your $8,000 car over a $2,000 loan. Now you have no car, no way to commute, and still the stress of financial problems. This is why many people call car title loans predatory lending. Number 5. The psychology behind the trap. Car title loans feed on urgency and fear. When you are stressed, it is hard to think clearly. You tell yourself, I will just borrow this once and pay it back quickly. But life rarely goes as planned. Another bill pops up. Your hours get cut at work. Suddenly, the loan you thought would be temporary sticks around like an unwanted guest. That short-term relief comes with long-term pain. Number 6. Are there any benefits? Believe it or not, car title loans are not 100% bad. The one clear benefit is speed. You can get cash within hours, even if your credit score is low. For someone facing eviction or a medical emergency, that speed can feel like a lifeline. And if you repay quickly, say, within the first 30 days, you might escape without too much damage. But here is the reality. Most borrowers cannot repay that fast. That is where the trap snaps shut. Number 7. Safer alternatives you should know. So what can you do instead of turning to a car title loan? One option is to ask your bank or credit union for a small personal loan. They often offer lower interest rates, especially if you have a checking account with them. Another option is a payday alternative loan from a credit union. These are designed for people with low credit scores and come with far better terms. You could also talk to your utility provider, landlord, or hospital billing department. Many have hardship programs that let you delay or reduce payments. Even borrowing from a trusted family member might be less risky than handing over your car title. For example, instead of paying 25% monthly interest to a lender, your cousin might agree to lend you $500 interest-free. That could save you hundreds of dollars in just a couple of months. Number 8. What happens if you already have a car title loan? If you are watching this and already stuck in one, you still have options. Number 1. Do everything you can to pay it off as soon as possible. Cutting unnecessary expenses, selling unused items, or taking on extra shifts can help you escape the debt faster. Number 2. Ask your lender if they offer a repayment plan instead of constant rollovers. Some states require lenders to provide these options. Number 3. Consider refinancing the loan with a lower interest personal loan or a credit union loan. The goal is to get out before you lose your car. Number 9. The laws and regulations. Car title loans are not even legal everywhere. In some states, lawmakers have banned them because of their high rates and predatory nature. In other states, they are capped at certain interest levels. But in places where they are allowed, lenders still find ways to charge sky-high fees. This is why it is so important to check your state laws before even considering one. Number 10. The bottom line. So, is a car title loan a good idea or a trap? The truth is, it is almost always a trap. Yes, it gives you quick cash, but it also puts your most valuable asset, your car, at risk. The interest rates are crushing, the repayment terms are unforgiving, and the chance of getting stuck in a cycle of debt is very high. If you are desperate, it might feel like your only option, but in most cases, safer alternatives exist. You just need to know where to look. Number 11. The emotional stress factor. Money stress is already heavy, but adding the fear of losing your car can make it overwhelming. Every time you see your car in the driveway, you are reminded that one missed payment could make it disappear. That constant anxiety affects your sleep, your focus at work, and even your relationships at home. The weight of knowing your lifeline to work and family could vanish creates a level of pressure that is far greater than the cash relief you get up front. Number 12. The cycle of debt connection. Car title loans often connect to a bigger cycle of borrowing. Many borrowers who take one out have already used payday loans, credit cards, or other short-term loans. When you cannot pay one, you take out another loan to cover it. Before you know it, you are juggling multiple debts with high interest. For example, you might borrow $1,000 on a payday loan to cover the car title loan payment, which then makes you late on another bill. That cycle is exhausting and expensive. Number 13. Impact on your credit. Car title lenders do not usually check your credit to approve you. At first, that feels like a relief. But it also means that paying it back on time does not improve your credit score either. If you fail to pay and your car is repossessed, some lenders report the debt to collections. That collection account could damage your credit score for years, making it even harder to qualify for normal loans in the future. Number 14. The illusion of ownership. When you sign over your car title, you are no longer the full owner of your car. Yes, you still drive it, but legally, the lender controls it until the debt is paid. It is like paying rent on something you already bought. Imagine buying a car with years of hard work, only to hand over control of it for a short-term loan. That sense of ownership gets replaced with insecurity. Number 15. Real-life stories. Across the USA, thousands of borrowers have shared stories of losing cars worth far more than the loan they took. One woman borrowed $1,500 to pay medical bills. She could not keep up with the payments. The lender repossessed her car worth over $7,000. Now she had no car to drive to work and had to rely on expensive rides to get to her job. The loan she thought would help ended up making her situation worse. Stories like these are not rare. They are warnings. Number 16. The trap of rollover fees. One of the sneakiest parts of car title loans is the rollover system. When you cannot pay the full loan back on time, lenders offer to roll it over. That sounds helpful, but each rollover adds a fresh set of fees and interest. You might start with a $500 loan and think you will pay it off in a month. After rolling it over a few times, you could owe $1,500 or more without even realizing it. It is like putting a Band-Aid on a wound that never heals. Number 17. The false sense of security. Because the loan is tied to a physical asset, your car, many borrowers feel it is safe. They tell themselves, "At least I am not using credit cards. At least I have something backing the loan." But that same something is the very thing they cannot afford to lose. That false sense of security makes people take risks they would never take with other types of debt. Imagine this. You borrow $2,000 today using your car title. A year later, you have paid back $4,000 and still risk losing your car. Would you call that a good deal? Probably not. Car title loans might seem like a quick fix, but for most people, they create a bigger problem than the one they were supposed to solve. So here's my question for you. If you were in a financial emergency and needed fast cash, would you risk your car for it? Or would you look for a safer path? Let me know in the comments.